Just 1029. Video is not going. Hello there. Welcome to another exciting episode of Number Royale. This is Sakti Vale. Two numbers, three numbers, and three four numbers. And we've got several players are already ready to go. And just remember, as before, all you need to do is to get the correct answer, and then it doesn't matter whether you do it fast or slow. Think about how others are solving it. Try to match the most popular answer, and there you go. You get the most points, and you could be one of our big winners today. Okay, so if you're all set, let's get started on. So it looks like we have a few newcomers as well. So let me walk through the first game and show you how you solve it, and then we can get going. So we've got. Let's get started. 2, 8, and the desired result is 10. So you can touch 2 plus 8 or 8 plus 2, two possible answers, and try to match it. And depending on how many people have given your answer, you get those number of points. So it's probability, it's psychology. So you need to check how the others are going to do it. And in this particular case, 8 plus 2 is 16. So this group is in total sync. I think we need to go to a little bit of a more interesting solutions. And so we'll get to that in just a moment. Let's try one more two-number puzzle as well. So you've got 7, 6, and the desired result is 13. So we've got, 6 plus 7 or 7 plus 6. All your answers are locked in. Knowing you, I think you're all going with big number plus small number, right? You figured it out. So let's see how. No, it is different. So somebody tried a 6 plus 7. There are 4 of you who tried that and got 4 points out of it. 7 plus 6 is 13. So that's 12 of you. So I'm glad that you've invited some of your friends to join us. So try inviting your friends for the next game that's coming up at 9 p.m. After this match is over. So let's go on to question 3. 1, 7, and 13 with a desired result of 7. There are 8 possible solutions. So this gets a little bit trickier, right? It's not just a matter of saying, okay, big number plus small number or something like that. So you have various ways of getting at this. So go ahead and you've locked your answers in. We're collecting your answers at this point, and take a look as to, wow. This is the first, I think. 13 minus 7 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. All 11 of you have given the same answer. So for a 3-number or a 4-number puzzle, this is the first time I think I'm seeing everybody giving the same answer. So you must have figured out that this is the one that stuck everybody. So good job. 11. It's 11 points, and the leader is at 39. And you can see where your points are. The leader will be on the left, and your points will be on the right on the solution screen. Okay, so let's move on to question 4. It's 5, 15, and 7 with a desired result of 13. So let's try to get 13 from 15, 7, and 5. And I hope you don't shock me in getting the same, everybody getting the same answer, right? There's so many permutations and combinations. So it's just a matter of coincidence. I think we got it. Now we got three possible solutions have been given. So 15 minus 7 is 8, and then 8 plus 5 is 13. That's the most popular answer, with 4 of you giving that. And there is other 2 that are given by 3 and 2. It looks like you're having some difficulty in solving it. Out of the viewers, only 9 of you have given the answer. So the others, I would recommend you take a look at NR Trainer, and that gives you the chance to train and practice and get better. So let's move on to question 5, the last of the 3-number puzzles. 13, 8, and 2 with a desired result of 19. There are 8 possible solutions. So you can walk through and get any one of them. Obviously, you get the right answer, you get points. Of course, if you don't solve it, you get 0 points, but you can get out of that by using life. So it's there are 3 possible solutions have been given. 13 plus 8 minus 2 is 6, so that's 19. That's the most popular, with 4 of you giving that answer, and the other 2 are given by 3 and 2 people. So the leader is at 46 points. And so for those of you having a little bit of difficulty, let me help you. You just touch 8 minus 2, that'll give you 6, and then you do 13 plus 6 or 6 plus 13 to get 19. So let's move on to the next puzzle. It's 4 numbers, 2, 8, 7, 6, with a desired result of 9. And there are, count them, 90 possible solutions. We have given you 20 seconds to solve it. So in case you're having difficulty, if you have a life, you can use it. You get a life by referring other people and inviting them to join you. When they join, you get a life and they get a life as well. So there are 2 possible, 2 solutions have been given by you. It's 6 plus 2 is 8, and then 8 minus 7 is 1. Equal, so you do 8 plus 1 equal to 9. 7 of you have given that answer. So we've got, the other one was given just by 1 person. So the leader is at 53 points right now. And let's move on to question 7, the penultimate question for this match. 2, 1, 9, and 8 with a desired result of 2. There are 150 possible solutions. So let's take a look at how many solutions that you're going to be coming up with. I hope it's more than 2, since there are about a good number of you playing here. So let's try and see how many solutions you're coming up with. This is great. So you've used 7 out of the 150 solutions. The leading point getter is 4 for this particular game. 9 minus 8 is 1. And then 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we have kept them relatively simple. And so the other solutions are all given by just 1. So you are all very unique, and you're giving unique answers that are going along with your unique and individual thought processes. So let's move on to question number 8, which will be the final question, with 4 numbers, 7, 14, 5, and 8, with a desired result of 8. There are 60 possible solutions. So it looks like there is fewer chances of fewer solutions than last time. So it'll be interesting to see how well you are getting to this. So let's make as we are waiting for these solutions, let's so there are 4 solutions. Yeah, that's not surprising. You are down to 150 to 60 solutions. So you've got 14 minus 8 is 6. 7 minus 5 is 2. So 6 plus 2 is 8. That's given by the most of you 4 numbers. So the leader at this point is with 61 points, and you can compare yourself to see where you ended up today. So that concludes the puzzles. And so I just wanted to make sure that a couple of things. One is to invite your friends, and you get a life, and they get a life also, and you can use it to jump back into the game. Or if you think you're running out of time, use a life, and you can get it. And then, so let's go on and take a look at the winners for today. The number royale for today's match is Ratna. And there are 15 winners at about 33 cents a piece, so which makes it about 22, 23 rupees. So congratulations to each and every one of you. Shaker is a close second with 60 points, and Jayamani is very close with 58 points. So congratulations to each and every one of you. And KPMJ as well is at 58 points. So congratulations to each and every one of you who played the match today. You're all winners. I hope you had fun with it. Share the wealth, share the information so you can get others to enjoy the game. So I thank you all for playing. At this point, this is Saktivel signing off from NumberRoyale. Remember, without numbers, you're not even a zero. Be a hero, play NumberRoyale. Thank you, and goodbye for now.